I feel like the stereotype for these jobs at the zoo is that you're just working with animals. Like, you don't have to talk to people, but the whole day you're talking to other coworkers and how things go, making plans for how things will be, and then people who like take the day off and they come back the next week, everything's changed. So it was a lot of communication and teamwork. This summer I had the amazing opportunity to work as an animal management intern for the East team. So I got to spend most of my time in the Savannah and Asian bear unit and shadow the veterinarians. And most of my day was animal husbandry, so like taking care of the animals, preparing diets, enrichment, cleaning, and all of that.
This is one of our enrichment. It's a mirror, kind of giving that reflective or like a mirror. And then we fill it in with lettuce on the side so they could be able to get their tongues in and get that lettuce out. Just kind of giving them something to look at and a fun way to get their brains moving when they're eating.
I applied because I wanted to get some real hands-on experience with animal care and veterinary medicine in the zoo setting. So actually being able to get involved and get hands-on in the field and work with wild animals and to see how their care is different. And then I think that this internship really did give me that. I feel like the stereotype for these jobs at the zoo is that you're just working with animals. Like, you don't have to talk to people, but the whole day you're talking to other coworkers and how things go, making plans for how things will be, and then people who like take the day off and they come back the next week, everything's changed. You have to like kind of tell them what happened or like what we're doing now. So it was a lot of communication and teamwork. I feel like this also helped me a lot in the vet side with the communication, because every time we had an appointment, they're explaining the why we're doing this, what are we doing to the keepers themselves, so then they know like what's going on with their animal that they're taking care of, and then also like just making sure that everybody kind of understands what's going on. The vets, they were not only skilled in what they can do, but they were generous in the information they had. They were like really excited to kind of share what they're doing, what they're seeing, what can we do for them. This gave me more than what I had thought it would. I really thought like, oh no, I'm just gonna be cleaning all day, but like seeing how much hard work goes into it kind of made me appreciate all the opportunities I have. It's even more of a dream job now as a kid. My advice would be to stay curious and take initiative. A lot of the stuff that I did, especially with the vets, were something that were not a part of the role. I emailed them and said, hey, I'm really interested in veterinary medicine. Is there a way I can kind of fill that in or see that in this internship? They were like, say, hey, you can come to the animal health department and see the vets and the vet techs, and they're like, thank you for asking, because they just want to see that you're taking that initiative and that you really care about this internship, and they want to help you in any way they can for the future. So don't be scared to ask your questions, just get involved.